The Squirrel and the Snake Story. A squirrel fell asleep on the highest branch of the tree. When she woke up, she saw a large snake between her and the trunk of the tree. The squirrel thought, if I try to run, the snake will kill me, and if I jump, I shall fall. Suddenly, she thought of impressing the snake. I feel you have qualities of being the king of the future, said the squirrel. The snake said, I do not agree with you. As soon as the squirrel tried to escape, the cunning snake swallowed her. Moral of the story: foolish talk is of no use. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and get notified.